Welcome to the channel. So I went on my Instagram and I posted like who I was talking to during that day, and it was 2 or 3 different people all around the world, and I posted it if anybody would want to make a day in their life, you know, of their shop, of their cars, of kind of where they live. And I got a couple replies. So this is the first subscriber that got all the video to me. He did a great job, so I'm gonna kind of watch it with you as we go through.
Hey guys, just wanted to do this day in my life video for Jake, as he asked us in Instagram. So in my case, I'm in Barcelona with my MK2 Jetta. I'm going to show it to you right now. So yeah, the plan is just to have a little drive with the car and show it to you really quick, and then I will go to my workshop and yeah, show you a bit of what cars I have in there as well. So yeah, let's get started.
And I want to just say it's so hard for a person that hasn't filmed themselves before. Like you guys, the people that you guys have sent some video in, you're doing a great job. Huge props to filming yourself, and you guys are speaking amazing.
So yeah, this Jetta is quite rare for the USA and Canada, I think, because first of all, it doesn't have an RPM gauge, and also this is a carbureted engine. Actually, it's a 1.8 block. It's the same exact block as the PB engine code. So let me show you really quick. This is like the...
Dude, if you look to the right of the screen, you see the AC button. I have never seen that before.
The baseline Jetta, because it doesn't have the rear view mirror on the passenger side, and also no seat belts on the rear. Yeah, it's a bit strange, but at least they have blue interior, I guess. Yeah, it's quite nice. Let me show you the engine really quick. Oh yeah, by the way, hello from Barcelona.
That is so cool. That
You have some views. Let me
the birds.
open the
It sounds like it's in Hawaii, like
bonnet.
tropics or something.
Bonnet? Hood? Yeah, I think you say hood. Just open it really quick. Sorry about the bad angle. Okay. So yeah, it's a bit dirty, not very much, but yeah, as you can see, there we have the carburetor. If it can focus. Let's see. Yeah, that's part of the carburetor. Here sits the air intake with the filter, and yeah, today we are going to start taking out the transmission because it needs a new clutch. It's not spinning on anything, but it's quite on its last steps. So yeah, so let's go to the workshop. So yeah, this is my workshop. Well, not mine, because I'm sharing it with some friends. So here in Spain, we usually don't really have houses. Oh yeah, by the way, no, I'm sorry about this. Didn't tell you this. Yeah, you didn't see it, okay? So yeah, the thing is that in Spain we usually don't have houses with garages and stuff. We just have apartments. So yeah, let's say rent prices for a garage like this are pretty high. So yeah, people need to share the space to be able to pay for it and also fix their dream cars and all of that. I'm going to tell you about all of this really quick. So yeah, I guess this is really the main difference. So if you want a body shop and you want to save some money, you really need to share it with someone. It's a bit weird, but yeah. So yeah, let's start with this guy over here. It's covered because it's been sitting for some months. It's a 16 valve Mark II. Has rims, collector, and the exhaust, and everything is done. But yeah, the engine started to burn a ton of oil, and yeah, the guy just bought an engine and he's getting ready to fix it. Let me show you the engine really quick. So the thing is that he bought it restored, supposedly, but the thing is that they painted this black and this is orange, and yeah, I don't know, it's weird. So yeah, he's thinking that probably he's going to take it apart again and paint the engine and all of that. So yeah. My other colleague, so it's three of us. My other colleague has this guy and this one over here. Well, this is shared by them, so they bought it 50-50 and then they wanted to sell it when they finish restoring the car and just split the price, I guess. I don't know. Not my job. So yeah, this is an PB Mark II GTI, of course. It's from 87, I think. Doesn't have too much rust. Yeah, it has some issues that we just fixed. I don't know if they are going to paint it. That's, yeah, they'll have to decide on that. Has a sunroof, pretty nice. The interior is also clean and everything. Just has this little thingy there, but yeah. Okay, so this is mine. I already showed you. It's the unicorn of the garage, but yeah. So the interesting one, I guess, is this one. It's a Mark II GTI with the split window. It has mechanical injection. I don't know if they sold these engines in the US. I think they did, at least with the Cabrio Mark I. I'm not sure. So yeah, the thing is that it had been imported from Germany like 20 years ago or something, and they messed up the registration, so they don't say which engine it has. So yeah, the guy is getting 16 valve ready to put in, and yeah, it doesn't need any homologations and whatever, you know, Spain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Apart from that, we have a ton of pieces and stuff on wheels, and yeah, it's kind of crazy. So yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for the opportunity to show my day-to-day, at least on my workshop, I guess. And yeah, thank you, Jake. Good luck on everything, and see you later.
Awesome job. I'll put his Instagram down below if you guys want to follow him. Awesome job speaking, showing us the cars and everything. That's like exactly, what I wanted to see. It's just so different and so cool. Thank you so much for the information. You did such a good job. In the future, I might ask for some updates on, what's going on in that part of the world. That was so cool. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm still waiting to get more video from people, but like if you guys want to go off this video, this is a perfect example of what I would love to have for these videos. So hope you guys like that. Please leave a like, leave a comment so we get some more people that want to do this. I'll see you guys next video.